mode and you press the video on button, it'll make a beeping noise, and that indicates, you see the green light now, that indicates that it is stopped recording. And by pressing the video button one more time, the beeping noise goes away, but the camera has a red flashing light. I don't know if you can see it, and now it's recording again. So I want to fly around without that annoying beeping noise. So what I'm going to do is redo the whole thing, and I'm just going to fly this session with the camera on. So I'm going to turn the transmitter off, turn this off, turn the quadcopter on, turn the transmitter on again, and bind. So I'm just going to fly this session with the video recorder on by default. Okay, taking off. Again, we have a slight breeze from the right to the left. Oh, and you notice that there is a flashing green and flashing red in the back, and the clear lights are in the front of the arms. Alright, we are in the low mode right now. Very stable. There's the yaw. And the wind is carrying it, of course. I'm fighting the wind. Okay, let's go to medium. There's the yaw and the wind speed and the pitch. Okay, let's go to speed number 3. The yaw didn't change much, maybe a tiny bit, but the pitch did come a little bit deeper. Maybe I'm wrong, the yaw is the same. Okay, let's go to the highest speed, the 4th speed. Yeah, I think the yaw did get a little bit faster on this one. So did the pitch. Yes, it did. Okay. Now let's check out the flips. With the dedicated flip button. Forward flip. Backward flip. Nice to have dedicated flip buttons. Okay, left side, right side. Hey, pretty decent. Nice flips. So because of the dedicated flip buttons, you are able to do on the fly flips. Nice. Oop. No flip on that one. Hello, there you go. Alright, pretty nice. Flies pretty decently with everything on. The prop guards and the camera, I mean. Also the landing legs. It has its own small landing legs under the motor pod. So later on you can take everything off and just use the landing legs from the motor pod. Alright, so let's take it up. I know the camera angle is pointing down, so let's take it up a little higher to check out the surrounding area. it has a connection issue here. I wasn't able to control it. I want to go back down to third speed and second speed.